Hello guys and welcome to PrimeGameChannel, and today I'm outside to make a review about a gift that I received. It's a power drill for remove any kind of bolts, for remove tires, and it's really powerful, and all you need is a power wall to plug it in. Don't need a compressor, air compressor, and it's really strong and really useful for a small, not businessmen, but for just like from anyone who's at home and have like 2 or 3 cars that need to change tires for winter or for spring. So that is really great, and I have to demo for you guys and ask me some question, and maybe if you watch all the video, you maybe want one, but that is for you to judge. So stay tuned. So this is the power wrench tool that I just mentioned, and it's from Mastercraft, that use power cord, no air compressor or anything, just plug it in and use it. Just to mention, these wires are 18 gauge, so use the same gauge or less. So 16, 12 gauge would do best for this power tool. If you go higher, so the resistance will be higher, so it won't work that perfectly. So just don't burn out your power tool. Use the right kind of gauge when you plug this thing. So it uses 120 volt. This is the impact wrench I just mentioned, and this is the point where you put the socket in. This is your average kind of bolt number, and you need to use those black one. Don't use the chrome, because the impact wrench will destroy your chrome bit of bolt. So use those heavy duty bolts. So just put that in. You have a forward and backward. So this is the R for reverse, and the forward button. So reverse. So I'm just loosening up the bolt, so I can just lift afterward. So you see, I go backwards and I go forwards, so I don't lose the bolt in place. So I just remove those 2 bolts at first, and I jack it up. And I've used this power tool a year now, and it served me quite well. So this is why I make this kind of demo, and I'm pretty sure This will last long if I keep it really nice and dry, don't leave it outside. And I have to mention, if you use only use for these kind of balls, okay, I have here an example. The power tool you need to use is only for the regular knot. If you use for a security bolt knot, don't use your power wrench tool, as you may break it and make it worse. So only use security knots by hand and don't use the power tool. So I don't want any bad comment. I warn you, don't use this tool for that. So trust me on this. This will make your changing tire really easier. It's nothing much, but it definitely make a difference, and it's really make you feel like professional having this power tool. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please like it and share and leave any comment if you have any question. And the price for this will be in the description down below, because it may varies at some place. This was from Canadian Tire, so in Canada. So see you guys.